Hello traders, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm just going to introduce a new strategy and method using Ichimoku system, but this time I'm just going to use Tenkan sen line. As you might know, Ichimoku indicator is my main strategy to trade on a daily basis. We have more than 90 strategy developed based on Ichimoku system. I handpicked those and then backtested many of those, and then I provided them as a course to access to those strategies, high winning strategies with live trade examples. You can go to my website. You can see Trading Academy, and then you can scroll down and start this course. There is a 50% coupon discount in the description below. You can use this one and then just start this course. As you can see, there's some live examples. I'm going to add more for sure, so don't miss out this one. After logging in, you can see the course and the flow, and you can navigate between the different courses. It's a powerful LMS system. It's a lifetime access to this course and videos. And in terms of strategies, you can see my favorite strategies. The strategy with high winning rate, it's gonna just change your trading style. And if this is the first time viewing my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out our other videos, and also like and comment below this video. This gonna motivate us to post more videos in future. For this strategy, I just need Tenkan sen. So I'm just gonna go deactivate other lines and also cloud. So in this strategy, whenever you see a sharp movement and then a retrace and then continuing the movement, you can basically draw a box from the top to the bottom of that correction, the small correction, and this zone can be a potential reversal or retracement zone in future. I'm going to show you how. So for example, here you can see we have a sharp movement in Tenkan sen, and we have a small correction like that. So if we draw a box like that, this zone can be a retracement and a zone that we're going to expect, and a zone that we're going to expect a reversal from that. So you can see here, but I recommend you do not wait for these red candles. Once you see this green candle, once you see this green candle arrive this zone, you go to the lower time frame and just waiting for a reversal indicator that could be a divergence or a candle that, for example, a doji candle or any other candles. For example, here you have again, you have a sharp movement. As you can see, we know that if we draw a box around this from the bottom, this is a small correction. Price reached this level and had a strong reaction in future. If you're interested to trade even these zones in future, you can just refer to that course. I explained that course, that how you can trade even this leg in future using Ichimoku system. Let's find another example. For example, here, this is a strong leg, but as you can see, there's no small correction, so we're gonna just ignore this one. This is a beautiful one. You can see a strong leg and then small correction here. Let's see in future what's going to happen. You can see in a beautiful way we have a reaction, I think multiple times from that zone. This one is another strong level. You can see we have multiple zones that price hasn't reached yet those levels, but within future we're expecting some kind of reaction from those levels. But I highly recommend you taking that course. In that course, give you a strong foundation about using the Ichimoku system and how to trade and with multiple strategies at the same time. Since you're using one indicator, it's not an indicator, it's a system. So as you can see, another one is here. You can see we have a reaction. It's really beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. For example, this one is going to give you a large zone. So for sure, we're going to ignore this. This leg doesn't have anything, so we're going to ignore this one as well. We can just tell this one, and you can see here a strong zone. So let's draw this one. Let's see what's going to happen in the future. You can see here we have some kind of reaction, but you don't enter once your price achieved. You're just waiting for some kind of, in the lower time frame, you're just waiting for some kind of indication. It could be a divergence or like a candlestick that shows a reversal. For example, here it's kind of a sharp movement, we can consider this one a zone that we're going to have a reaction from. You can see it happen. So we'll try to just use the narrow zones. So another one in a long leg and sharp movement. And then I'm going to draw a box here. And you can see price reached that level and then had actually a reversal. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I highly recommend you to check my website for other videos and also learning more about the Ichimoku system. Since this system, I'm going to give you just a couple of lines that you can just trade based on those. Since everything's visual and you're using those advanced strategies, for sure it's going to be way easier, much easier than any price action or smart money strategies. Try it and let me know if you have any comments or feedback on this. Have a great day.